Hello, sister. Hey, sister. Are you going to the dance tonight? Yeah, I am. How do I look, sister? Awesome, and might I add, you have great taste in dresses, especially when the dress is mine. I figured you would not mind since after all we are sisters. No, I really don't mind. So how do I look in your dress? A little short for my taste, but I am sure the boys won't mind one bit. Did you finish that book I gave to you to read? Yes, I did, and I loved it. That Bob DiCaterino is so awesome, funny, charming, handsome, and... Hold on, why so many great things about this author? He paid me $5 to say these things about him. His jokes are amazing. I heard he writes for other comedians. Yes, want to hear some? Sure. Why did the mobster cross the road? I don't know. To bury the body he pulled out of the trunk. Oh, I got one. Why did the gangster call the exterminator? Because the FBI had his home bugged. Hey, sister? Yes, sister? After the NCing, we are all heading over to the comedy club and I thought, I know, we can do our act. I am game more if you are. We have a few minutes, so do you want to go over some of the material? I'll start. Hey, sister. Yes, sister? What is yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black? A blonde doing cartwheels. Hey, sister? Yes, sister? Why do elephants have trunks in the front? Thought's easy, because they are Farragon elephants. Hey, sister? Yes, sister? What did the idiot say to the other idiot? I don't know. Oh, right. He didn't know either because he was an idiot. Hey, sister? Yes, sister. What time is it when a huge fat person sits on a clock? Thought's easy. Time to go to the hospital and have that clock surgically removed, again. The routine sound great. Shall we go? Yes, it will be a fun night. Hey, sister? Yeah, sister? I am glad you are my sister. So am I now. Get me that Caterino book. I want to see how it ends. If Caterino showed up, here, in our apartment, right now, would you bust a move, try to flirt, jump his bones? No, that's your deal? I would lift his wallet though. I'll tell you what. If he ever did come here, and you do get the wallet, we can use the money to buy another one of his books. Good idea. I would also buy some of his world peace posters. He is a huge fan of world peace. Well, too bad he would never come over here. Who do you think is driving us to the club tonight? How the heck did you pull that one off? Easily, I called him up and told him I had his wallet. Okay, sister, let's go. Okay, sister.